Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. In JavaScript, we have several types of assignment operators. First is the basic assignment operator. This operator assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. For example, let's say we have a variable x equals 10. Here we're assigning the value 10 to the variable x. We can also assign value of one variable to another variable like this. Let's print x and y on console to see the output. Both variables have the same value. We can also reassign any of these variables. Create a new variable z and assign it to y. And this is the updated output. Next we have the addition assignment operator. This operator adds the value on the right to the variable and assigns the result to it. Let x equals 10. If we write x plus equals 5. It is similar to adding 5 to x and then assigning the result back to x. In this case x is 10, so this becomes 10 plus 5, which is 15. Now let's print x on console. Similarly, the subtraction assignment operator subtracts the value on the right from the variable and assigns the result to it. Create a variable x equals 9. And then write x minus equals to 3. Here we're subtracting 3 from x and then assigning the result back to x. In this case x is 9, so 9 minus 3 will be 6. Next we have the multiplication assignment operator that multiplies a variable. Let num equals 3. So if we do num multiply equal to 2. And print the value of num, then we get 6. Next is exponentiation assignment operator that raises a variable to the power of the operand. Create a new variable val equals 4. We can calculate 4 power 3 like this, then assign the result to val. Printing val will output 64. Then we have division assignment operator that divides the variable. Let number equals 60. Number divide equal 3. Now let's print it on console. Finally we have the remainder assignment operator that assigns a remainder to a variable. Let y equals 87. Y mod equals 10. If we don't initialize a variable and use any of the compound assignment operators like this, it will return not a number. This expression will be similar to num equals num plus 7. And in this case num is undefined. Please note we cannot use the compound assignment with const, since const cannot be reassigned a value. In next video we'll learn conditional statements, so until then practice the different types of assignment operators and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.